Hello, in this video we're going to discuss two types of emissions, the gamma emission and neutron emission. First of all, what is a gamma ray? A gamma ray is electromagnetic radiation from the nucleus of an atom. It's uncharged and has no mass, so its emission doesn't change the number of protons or neutrons in a nucleus, hence the mass and the charge of the nucleus are both unchanged. So, in other words, because gamma rays are energy, their emission does not affect either the mass number or the atomic number of the daughter nuclide. Regarding the neutron emission, what is a neutron? A neutron is a subatomic particle with symbol of N superscript 0 and has a neutral charge, neither positive nor negative, and a mass slightly greater than that of a proton. The neutrons with protons constitute the nuclei of atoms. So what caused this neutron emission? The neutron emission is a type of radioactive decay of atoms containing excess neutrons, in which a neutron is simply ejected from the nucleus. So how is that? Neutrons are emitted by some radioactive substances as a result of alpha particles colliding with unstable nuclei in the substance. Such a collision causes the unstable nuclei to become even more unstable and emit a neutron. Because the emitted neutrons are uncharged, it's neutral, they can pass through substances more easily than an alpha particle or a beta particle can. That's all. Thanks for watching.